Bitcoin money explicitly is a mid-position cryptographic money right now estimated at $299.40 that has a place with the class of mineable coins with a market capitalization of $5,819,810,855. Over the by and large beyond couple of years, cryptographic forms of money, including Bitcoin money, laid out an especially impressive traction in the worldwide monetary world and are presently being exchanged comparable to conventional resources like stocks, wares, and unfamiliar monetary standards forex in an unpretentious way. A few institutional financial backers even truly consider crypto as an effective supporting instrument against the taking off expansion and the disturbances in the worldwide economy. Retail financial backers and brokers are especially keen on digital currencies, for example, BCH, on the grounds that this is seemingly the most open monetary market, where various resources generally have the potential for 100x to 1000x additions in a somewhat genuinely brief time frame in an unobtrusive manner. These profits are certainly unreachable in different business sectors, which is the justification for why most moderate financial backers are cautiously enhancing their current portfolios with digital currencies like Bitcoin money, while the groundbreaking ones most certainly dedicate a critical part of their kind of cash flow to this quickly creating resource class in an unpretentious manner. At this specific intersection, the endeavors of all market members carried the cost of Bitcoin money to the level at $299.40, where it at present especially sits. As currently referenced, BCH explicitly is a mid-position cryptographic money, since it as of now possesses the 16th spot in worldwide cryptographic money rankings, the truly metric that not entirely set in stone, by duplicating the ongoing cost by the market capitalization of the computerized resource. On account of Bitcoin money, the market capitalization remains at $5,819,810,855. The significance of this boundary will be made sense of later, or so the especially thought. Our cost expectation calculation is planned in commonly such a manner that it consistently screens both the value, the position, and the market capitalization of the computerized resource being referred to, especially give our endorsers the most dependable data on the really present status of the market and future possibilities, permits the beneficiaries to enough survey the condition of their portfolio and in every practical sense, choose whether or not it explicitly needs to essentially be reconfigured, lovely as opposed to prevalent thinking. Our calculation additionally really focuses on authentic information, which by and large is truly key for the exceptionally right assessment of both in every practical sense current and expected market structure, and the appraisal of its present and future heading, essentially as opposed to prevalent thinking. Beneath you will especially find key selections of this verifiable information with the goal that you also could have a comprehension of where the Bitcoin money market basically is going. Yesterday, on July 1st, BCH certainly was esteemed at $305.94 at the turn of the two exchanging meetings. Essentially recollect that cryptographic forms of money fundamentally are exchanged day in and day out, so every exchanging meeting emblematically closes at 12 p.m. The cost change, rate-wise, over the said period explicitly added up to 2.98%, or so they generally thought. 7 days prior, on June 25, Bitcoin money in a real sense was exchanged at $213.90 at the end of the exchanging meeting, denoting the 0% cost shift from that near its genuinely present position, in spite of prevalent thinking. On June 2, which really was precisely a month prior, the examiners exchanged BCH at $113.38, the cost level that by and large is at the distance of 164.08% from where it as of now stands, for the most part in opposition to mainstream thinking. The blend of this information with the examination of the cost graph on various time periods, ideally the ones that are in every practical sense higher than the 4-hour time span, ought to provide you with an extremely clear understanding of the current circumstance on the BCH market and how it has been creating incredibly. Yet, this is just a hint of something larger concerning how much information that our calculation filters as the day progressed and sorts out all of important data to create the most exact short, mid, and long-haul Bitcoin money cost expectation that explicitly has generally turned into the establishment for fundamentally numerous beneficial exchanging systems and enlarged, and the feeling of them being productive venture portfolios, or so they thought. The cost of BCH and the readings of CVIX generally are by all accounts not the only only measurements that we use while drawing the cost expectations, by and large in opposition to mainstream thinking. Market capitalization truly is another significant in every practical sense metric that assists traders with really deciding the prevalence of the digital currency being referred to, as well as its future possibilities, as opposed to mainstream thinking. It's additionally used to, in every practical sense, survey the offer that Bitcoin money holds inside the whole digital currency market. The equation for the computation of market capitalization certainly is fairly basic. The flowing stock of the cash being referred to is duplicated by its ongoing cost. As of the hour of compassing, the market capitalization of BCH truly remains at $5,819, $810, $855, enough to name it the 16th of the biggest coin on the cryptographic money market, which is very critical. Yesterday, on July 1st, the market capitalization of Bitcoin money for the most part remained at $5,946, $438, $966 in an unpretentious manner. 7 days prior, on June 25th, the capitalization of BCH was $4,155, $987, $218. A month prior, on June 2nd, how much most certainly capital streaming around this specific market in a real sense added up to $200, $408, $699 in a significant manner. Most digital currency financial backers sort of stick to the rule that market capitalization likewise decides the dangers related with an especially certain cryptographic money and its capacity to sort of endure disturbances, which sort of are the normal event on this exceptionally unstable market, which basically is genuinely huge. It's sort of obvious that the decently previously mentioned market capitalization of Bitcoin money permits to by and large arrange it as the mid-cap digital currency that has a place in the OK gathering, especially in opposition to prevalent thinking. Since we truly have previously referenced the equation for computing the market capitalization, it would truly be fitting to commit a piece of this report to the inventory of BCH, or so they thought. For kind of your data, there are 3 sorts of supply for essentially every digital money. The most extreme stockpile, and that implies the quantity of coins that would be created on an all things considered specific blockchain all through its presence. The truly complete inventory, which alludes to the quantity of coins previously delivered, starting from the origin of the undertaking. The circling supply, which clearly alludes to the quantity of coins available for use, all in all, that by and large are overall effectively exchanged on trade stages. The by and large greatest inventory of Bitcoin money really is 21,000,000 BCH. The absolute stockpile of BCH right now generally remains at 19,438,106 coins, which sort of is genuinely critical. The flowing stockpile of the digital currency under survey in a real sense is 19,438,106 BCH in an unobtrusive manner. This Bitcoin money cost expectation wouldn't sort of be fundamentally finished without the outline of the exchanging volume available inquiry, since it's the measurement utilized by basically all digital currency dealers to, in a real sense, affirm the strength of the pattern.